your homework learning for this week for the Olympics in maths. Your first task is a bit of a problem, so you need to find out if the Olympic torch is lit for 70 days, complete days, 24 hours, then how many hours is that, how many minutes is that, and how many seconds is that? You would have to work them all out individually. Obviously, I'd start with hours, because then you can obviously use that calculation to work out the rest. So that's your first task. Second one, complete the missing gaps on the Olympic medal table. So we have given you a medal table, but there's from the London 2012 Olympics, but there are gaps missing. So you will need to work out what is missing using what else is on that row. So for example, in the first one, it's the one of the United States. So there's 46 gold, 29 silver. We don't know the bronze, but the total is 104. So you'd have to add the gold and the silver together, take that away from the total, and that'll give you how many bronze medals they have. Don't just look it up on the internet. Next one, using the Team GB medal table from the last 8 Olympic Games, create a graph using the information. So again, we've given you a table with the information on for the last 8 Olympic Games, right down to 1988 up to 2016, with the medals split down into bronze, silver and gold and the totals. What you need to do is create a graph. Start with a graph of totals, and then your challenge on that one is to create a graph for all the separate types of medals. So a graph for the bronze, a graph for the silver, a graph for the gold. See if you can do it on the same graph, then you might be able to see some trends. Next one, we have given you complete the ticketing activity from the Rio Olympic Games on the website. So we have given you another table, this time with events on it from the Rio Games and how much it cost in the Brazilian currency. First task you need to do is work out how much a half-price ticket will cost, because they offered half-price tickets to Brazilian residents who were over 60, teachers and students in Rio de Janeiro. So you need to work out how much a half-price ticket will cost the events that are on there. And then as a challenge, we've given you the conversion rate for the Brazilian currency to pound sterling, which at the time was 5 to 1. So you need to work out the full price ticket based on the information that you've already got, and then the half price ticket in pound sterling as well. So for example, if something costs 500 in Brazilian money, it will cost you £100. So you need to use that to work it out. And the last activity is there is a mystery. So we've done these before. This one is the Winter Olympics mystery at the sabotaged bobsleigh track. So you need to work your way through the different clues, and then eventually you will find the culprit. That's all your maths activities for this week. Have fun, enjoy, see you later.